Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something super simple and I'm going to be engraving my Zippo. Really, the only tool that I'm going to use, I'm not going to be doing it traditionally. I'm going to be doing it with this $13 electric engraver that I got from Ace Hardware. It uses batteries. I'm pretty sure this was on an infomercial. It's called Engrave It Pro. So I'm going to be writing Heaven Sent Honey on my Zippo. I've seen a few different Zippos. I've always wanted to have one. I like the effect that it has. One, it's windproof. And I love just the way that a Zippo looks. I love how old-fashioned it is. And considering how I store my cigarettes in a case like this, I think it's only appropriate to have a Zippo lighter instead of a regular lighter, or I've tried matches and they're just really, really unreliable. So I've seen many pictures of a Zippo having some kind of engraving, like some kind of saying on it or some kind of pattern, and I decided to just go out on a whim and just personalize this and make this look so much better. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to personalize this.